Nolo Small Business Legal Kit App. The pros, the cons. Starting a small business comes with a lot of legal paperwork, and most people get this wrong at first. The Nolo Small Business Legal Kit App helps entrepreneurs navigate these challenges with ease, giving you tools and templates to keep your business compliant from day one. The app includes templates for forming ELCs, corporations and partnerships, as well as contracts, employee agreements, and intellectual property protections. Nolo also offers guidance on federal and state requirements, helping you understand what forms and filings are needed to avoid penalties. One of the biggest advantages is convenience. You can access documents, track deadlines, and customize forms directly from the app. It also includes helpful legal explanations, so even if you're not a lawyer, you can feel confident that your documents are accurate. On the downside, complex or unusual business situations may still require professional legal advice. The app's templates are excellent for standard operations, but businesses with unique contracts, multi-state operations, or specialized industries might need extra support. Pricing for the full kit can also be higher than purchasing individual templates separately. In conclusion, the Nolo Small Business Legal Kit app is a practical, user-friendly tool for entrepreneurs looking to simplify legal compliance. By centralizing forms, guidance, and templates, it saves time, reduces errors, and gives small business owners peace of mind. For most startups, it's an efficient first step toward a legally sound business foundation.